bileyer technology utilizes a continuous chain that allows cores to be held in position and embedded into tablets, allowing consistent, accurate, and repeatable placement of the inner core tablets. The core tableting process begins as core tablets are fed systematically from the vibratory bowl feeder. Pre-compressed cores are aligned and progressively transferred into the uniquely designed tablet slide. The slide efficiently guides the core tablets into a feed rod, which guides the tablets into Elizabeth's exclusive tablet insert chute. While being aligned within the vibratory bowl, an uninterrupted flow of core tablets is monitored, and chipped or incomplete cores are sorted away. After leaving the vibratory bowl, cores are gravity-fed down the tablet insert chute. The chute orients and reliably feeds the cores into Elizabeth's exclusive in-feed wheel, allowing for careful handling of the cores during the core transfer process. Cores can be inserted into a predetermined location in a specific die. Normally centered, cores can be off-centered if required by a specific tablet design. The core placement within the die is maintained by the geometry of the transfer cog, and once set, cannot be changed. The continuous chain belt assembly, which is driven by the upper punches mounted in the press turntable, eliminates all timing issues. Rotation of the continuous chain belt assembly causes the push pins to contact the insertion cam, which lifts the pins and the core tablets through the center of the core holder. The core remains centered over the die cavity. The upper punch is lowered by means of the tamp cam, and the core tablet is slowly driven down into the tablet with over 32 degrees of turntable rotation, allowing consistent, accurate, and repeatable core placement from setup to setup. Elizabeth's new Core Plus multi-layer core capability utilizes Hata's unique closed feeder system to produce a new generation of solid dose delivery systems. An internal powder transfer mechanism enables the introduction of a second unique powder layer, in addition to isolating the core-coated granulation surrounding the core tablet. This illustration summarizes the stages of the Hata core tableting system. First, cores are deposited into the vibrator hopper. The cores are then dispersed into the vibratory bowl feeder. From the bowl, the cores are fed individually into the uniquely designed tablet slide. The core then slides down the throat to the upper feed rod. The core systematically flows from the upper feed rod into the lower feed rod. From the lower feed rod, the core is guided into the core inserter, where the core is positioned into the feed wheel from where it is pushed into the transfer cog by the lower feed wheel push pin. From here, the transfer cog moves the core over to the die table, where the upper tool pushes on the push pin, placing the core into the center of the die and onto the third and final layer. Various tablet shapes and designs can be produced with the Hata core tableting press. Capabilities include single layer, bilayer, exposed core configurations, and Elizabeth's new exclusive Core Plus multi-layer core tablet for the latest in solid dosage delivery systems. Almost any tablet size and custom core configuration can be engineered to fit your various core tableting needs. The Hata 3-layer tableting press is designed for the utmost tableting production flexibility. You can achieve single-layer, bilayer, tri-layer, or custom core tableting applications on the same Hata press system. The Elizabeth core tableting system can be fitted to either the CVX 3-layer press with the interchangeable turret design or retrofitted to the AP Series 3-layer press.